If you have a dry or itchy scalp, we literally have the best treatment for you. Welcome back to another video, and today obviously we're going to be talking about all things to help treat dry scalp, an itchy scalp, a scaly scalp, a flaking scalp, and dry hair as well with our all natural, all organic products. First, let's jump into why is our scalp even dry and itchy? Well, if you guys did not know, dryness is caused because you're not moisturizing your hair, or maybe you're not even taking care of your insides, drinking enough water. So step one, make sure you are drinking enough water and making yourself very, very hydrated, because dehydration does cause for dry hair or dry scalp. When it comes to a dry scalp or dry hair shaft, you need to make sure you're moisturizing it daily. Just like we drink water every single day, you definitely need to moisturize your hair and hydrate your hair every day too, and your scalp. You can't forget about the scalp. Dry scalp can also be caused from dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, and a lot of other skin conditions can also lead to a dry, itchy scalp. However, we have the best products for you to actually help to reduce that dryness, itchiness, that flakiness, even inflammation. So definitely stay tuned so you can hear all of the best products and the best tips to help treat your dry scalp. So starting off with a dry scalp, you need to make sure you are maintaining that moisture. So we actually have our moisturizing seal bundle that comes with everything that you see in front of me, minus our shampoo and our conditioner. So starting off with our Scalp Stimulator, all you would do is apply it to your scalp, massage that in for 3 to 5 minutes, and that's gonna help to keep your scalp moisturized in a sense because it is an oil and it's stimulating that blood flow, it's getting that scalp stimulation going, and it's also gonna help to promote healthy hair. So after you do that, you need to make sure you are moisturizing and hydrating your hair and your scalp. So that's when you go in with our Hydrating Mist. And with our Hydrating Mist, it's very simple and easy to apply. You just spray it all throughout your hair. It's gonna add in that hydration. And for your scalp, if it's itchy, it's gonna help to relieve that because it has the aloe vera in it. It has avocado oil, it has grapeseed, it has hemp seed, it has lavender. It has a lot of great ingredients that's gonna help to add in that hydration and that moisture. After you go in with our Hydrating Mist, next is gonna be our Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm. So our hair balm is very similar to a grease. Anyone that is dealing with a dry, itchy scalp, you need to make sure you are moisturizing it and greasing your scalp on a daily basis to avoid it from becoming dry, itchy, and scaly. So with the grease, it's super, super lightweight. All you have to do is apply it throughout your scalp and your hair shaft, and that actually has mango butter and shea butter in it. If you guys did not know, mango butter and shea butter are the best ingredients, the top premium ingredients that's gonna help to moisturize your hair. So the main issue when it comes to having a moisturizing routine, a lot of you guys are forgetting to lock and seal in all that moisture. So we're putting all the hydrators, all the moisturizers, but we're not actually retaining it because we don't have a sealant. So that's why you need to make sure you follow up with our hair elixir, which is right here. This is another oil and it's a little thicker, so it's definitely gonna lock and seal in that moisture and it's not gonna go anywhere. And that's also gonna help with the length retention as well. We're not really talking about hair length, but we are talking about dry hair. And in order to have a healthy hair shaft, your hair cannot be dry, you guys. So make sure you are locking and sealing all that moisture to avoid it from becoming dry the next day or even in a few hours. So just to review, for the best products for an itchy scalp or a dry scalp, you definitely need to make sure you are using our Hydrating Mist and our Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm. That is gonna help to calm down any itchiness. Also, if your scalp is inflamed, it's also gonna help to reduce that as well. And it's gonna soothe your scalp as well. And that's definitely gonna make sure it's super moisturized throughout the week and you don't have to worry about any more dandruff, any more flaking, dryness, or even irritation. So a lot of us are always focusing on the moisturizers, the hydrators, but we can't forget that we need a healthy scalp. We need a clean scalp, and in order to maintain a healthy, clean scalp, to avoid it from constantly becoming dry, we need to make sure it's clean. So that's why we have a pH balanced strengthening shampoo, and then we have a replenished conditioner that's gonna help to cleanse our scalp without stripping it, without making it super dry. It's gonna be super moisturized and clean, and you don't have to worry about any irritations or anything like that. So make sure you are washing your hair at least bi-weekly, and then of course, while applying all of these moisturizers and hydrators frequently, you need to make sure your scalp is nice and clean as well. So with our moisturizing seal bundle, which contains our Scalp Stimulator, our Hydrating Mist, our Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm, and our hair elixir, all you need to do is apply each product at least 3 to 4 times a week. However, you can apply daily if needed, especially if you have an overly dry scalp or even hair shaft. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that all of these tips and tricks helped you out, especially if you are someone dealing with a dry scalp. And make sure you guys check out all the links down below if you are interested in our moisturizing seal bundle or even our healthy hair starter kit, which includes the shampoo, the conditioner, and then everything else that follows in the moisturizing seal bundle, which is our scalp stimulator, our hydrating mist, our stimulating scalp and hair balm, and our hair elixir. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.